Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to do some deep cleaning of the alloy wheels. I'm going to do the same for all the four wheels, but I'm just going to show you only one. Other than that, I will put on screen what I'm using, not the exact brand and name, but what type of chemical I'm using. Let's roll. All right, boys and girls, that was the deep cleaning of the wheels inside and out. This one is one way to do. If you want to go crazy, you can also use a tar remover. You can use a clay bar. I will actually put some videos link in the description. I don't know, a few years ago, I've done something similar with the clay bar and so on. But as I said, there are different ways to do so. If you want, you can spend a whole day on one wheel only to go through with all sorts of chemicals and protection and so on and so on. So that's that. Anywho, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.